Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brook Designs. So I just got in the Bargain Beadbox collection and it's called Peach Sorbet, and I'm loving the theme name. And I was looking at this, like we've got strawberry quartz and peach moonstone and peach and pink. So while the curated beadbox this month was purple, Bargain Beadbox this month is peach. So I'm excited to see what this is. So I am going to unbox this and we're gonna take a look. So it came with this really nice peach bag that looks like it is not completely sewn correctly because at any rate, we've got this peach bag. So we're gonna go through these items. Ooh, and I'm seeing some things I really like in there already. Yeah, so let me start with number one is a 27 millimeter strawberry quartz and brass pendant. That is really pretty. And I'm going to turn on some more light in here just so we can get some more light, because it's starting to get cloudy and I've lost my sunlight. That really doesn't help much, but yeah, that is pretty. And I'm going to grab a tray because we are going to tray this so we can start working in this as well. So there is that pendant. That's really, really pretty. Number two is peach moonstone and brass faceted marquee drop. There's another one that's very pretty. It's a lot lighter than the strawberry quartz, but those are very pretty. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got like this almost like a shimmer to it. Very pretty. Next, we have 8 millimeter peach quartz dyed round beads. And again, I'm making videos, and guess who's at my feet begging for cookies again? Velvet. Hey. There you go, baby. All right, so this peach, it's almost brownish. It's so peach. I love that. I'm going to cut these and get those in my tray. And now I know I've seen a lot of videos where people take these and they put them in boxes and separate them out and or keep them on the strings. I tend not to do that because I like the mixing of the beads so I can get ideas. Number four. Let's see. Number four is this number four? Yes. 6 millimeter pink rhodonite round beads. So those, ooh, that one's pretty. These are pretty. So this is going to be a very muted, peachy end of summer. Oh, I love this. I'm loving, loving, loving this. This is just going to be fun. Another fun kit. So now I've got two. I've got the purple and the peach. I'm not sure which one I want to play with first. I may actually do a bead embroidery thing with this. Because I have some shibori stuff that I could do with that. So that was number four. Yes, that was number four. So we need number five. Number five. Where's number five? Where's number five? Number five. There we go. Number 5. 4mm Hessonite garnet faceted round beads. Ooh, those are pretty. These remind me of fall. They do remind me of fall. Yes, we are going to do a shibori with this, I think. Shibori / bead embroidery. Maybe we'll make a peach brooch. What do you think, guys? Peach brooch? Let me know in the comments if you want to see that, because if you do, I will make the video. So that was number 5. Number 6 is strawberry quartz large chip beads. Pretty. Ooh, I like that. God, that could even be just a bracelet like that. That's very pretty. I love the bright pink. I love this bright pink stuff. I don't know why, but that... Oh, yes. This is going to be fun. We are going to do something. I think I might do some wire wrapping with that as well, because I think some gold wire, braided bracelet, something like that. Number 8, or number 7. We're on number 7. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Number 7 is Agate Peach Charm, and they call it a Yanyun. So it's just a little, oh my goodness, it's the shape of a little peach. Oh, it's got the little cut in it as well. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see that. There's the little V for the peach, and then it's shaped just like a peach. Oh my God, I want more of these. I really want more of those. That is amazing. Yes, I just got that excited over a bead. Number 8 is Frosted Glass Synthetic Moonstone Beads in Apricot. Ooh, pretty. I'm still excited over that peach bead. I want like at least 3 more of those so I can make earrings with that. If I had like 3 or 4 of those, I could make little drops. Looks like I need to go onto the bargain bead box this month and get some extras when they come out. Or do some Google searching to find some peach beads, because I want like a dozen more of those. Hi, Velvet. Hi, baby. Did you not get enough cookies? Aw, she needs her cookies. All right, so that was the moonstone. Number 9 is freshwater shell round beads. So here's the pop of a different color. Just to give you some contrast to the peach, but still having some of the browns in there to go with that. Oh my God, I'm loving this kit. It's such a muted tone. But it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have some really nice muted bracelets and necklaces and earrings with that, and I really love this peach bead. I'm just in awe of this peach bead. So you'll have to forgive me. I'm going to just be in awe of that. So number 9, if I can find that. Or did we just do number 9? No, we didn't. We did number 8. No, we did number 9. That was the shell beads. Sorry, guys. Number 10, 4mm crystal bicone beads in peach shimmer. 4mm crystal. Oh, there we go. Number 10. Ooh, those are pretty. We're going to put these in here. So while these are all muted tones and everything, now you've got a little pop of sparkle in there. So that's going to be your sparkle element to your jewelry. Oh, I like this. This is pretty. All right. Number 11. We up to number 11. We are number 12, maybe? Yes. So that was, wait, number 11. Number 10 was the bicones. 13. Ah, there we go. Number 11. These were the beads that I actually set aside when I saw them in the kit, when I unboxed. These are really fun. They've got this gold paint on the top, but they've got this little peach. So this reminds me of antique, rustic kind of beads. But again, when I put them in here, it just gives you a little pop of color with these peach beads, and it makes it fun. So we're going to do something with that. I can see doing a lot with that. Number 12, we have pressed glass leaf beads in olive ombre. And so these are leaves. I think they're going to go well. I mean, they're very muted, so if you put them with the peach beads, no matter what color peach you're putting them with, they're going to match. Those are really pretty. I wish there was more of those. So that was the leaf beads. Number 13 is 10 millimeter lampwork glass blossom beads in peach. So these are little beads that look like flowers. They've got like little flower petals on them. I could see those being, you know, an earring. Ooh, I can actually see that being, like those two being sewn on something and having like leaves and doing something like that on a bead embroidery. So I'm going to set those up there with the leaves. I like that. I'm really liking this kit. Normally I'm not a big fan of this muted tone, but I'm really liking this month. Next we have 4-piece steel marquee, and that is 14 bead links or marquee links. So these are just little metal links. Those are fun. Those could be, I could see those being, you know, part of some earrings, or we're going to set those in there. I like those. Next, we have 6-piece freshwater shell links. And where are those? Here we go. So these are links that they put together for you already. If you don't do bead wrapping or wire wrapping, those are pretty. I like those. We'll set those in there as well. Ooh, I like those with that peach bead. I need more of those peach beads. Next, we have 1 gram, 18 karat gold bead caps, plated bead caps. And that is, where are those? Ooh, those are tiny. Tiny, tiny. And there's a red bead in there with it. So I can tell those were on those are some tiny, tiny bead caps. We're going to set those in there. Those are really tiny. I could see those being used with maybe those, or maybe even these white ones. But those are very tiny. 3 sets, stainless steel lobster claws. Do I have? Yes. So, yep. So we have stainless steel lobster claws. I'm not going to take them out. There's 3 of them. Then we have 1 meter brass Corina chain. So it's that chain that doesn't really have links in it that you could put jump rings in, so you have to use crimp beads and clamshells for this. I do like this. It's a fun chain to work with. It can be tricky, but it's still fun, and it comes out pretty nice. And I can see that going with this peach color. Then we have oh, there we go. So then we have 4 pieces, 18 karat gold plated tube bail beads. So these are just little bails that you can slide onto. So this part slides onto a chain and it looks like a bead. And then this is your bail where you can crimp, or you can use jump rings or something to, clip into there, wire wrap into there. And then you have your bails on your chain, which goes nice with that Corina chain. And then bonuses, they gave you bonuses this month. So we have crimp beads. So they gave us a bunch of crimp beads to use with the chain. And they gave us the clamshell beads. And these are the beads that you're going to need to use this chain. So you got a bunch of those as well. So all in all, this was an amazing kit this month. I'm still loving, I think I found my favorite bead in the entire world at this point, which is this peach bead. I can honestly see if I can't find any more and I don't have any right away, I can see this being a pendant, if you will, to just a little necklace pendant like that, and just having that peach bead, just because that is so cute. Anyways, that was this month's bargain bead box, Peach Sorbet. So I can see the sorbet, the white being the cream, and then the peachy colors. I love this. I cannot wait to use this. I cannot wait to make some really exciting, fun pieces with you. And yeah, I can't wait to get started. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.